Mike from Cornfield Customs. I'm going to give you a little weekly update on modified roadster for Bonneville progress. Luckily yesterday I was able to get the chassis all welded up, and I'm going to take it off the rotisserie here later today and get it over to the powder coater first thing tomorrow. I did want to talk to you, we're going to do a giveaway contest with a couple sticker packs and shop towels with our logo on it. So later in the day, once I get this off the rotisserie, I'll make another post, and we're going to you have to guess how many hours I had in total welding to get the chassis all welded solid. So whoever comes in closest to the actual number that I clocked on my time clock app will get the free sticker pack and free shop towels. So I'm going to give you a little walk around of the chassis. So I got everything welded up on the chassis. I went over it twice yesterday. It's what all the blue marks are, making sure I got all the seams and joints. And then I had a buddy come over and he went over it as well, and that's what the yellow marks are. And then this morning I went over it again to make sure that I got all the seams welded, and I'm pretty sure I got them all. So if I've missed anything, once it gets to the powder coat shop, if he sees anything that I missed, I'll just drag one of my portable TIGs over and finish anything that I missed. But I think I got it all under control. But I like to weld a lot, but man, after doing this chassis, I'm sick of welding for a while.